Hello, welcome to the daily message for today. I want to begin my reflection by reading the first 6 verses of chapter 45 from the book of Isaiah. This is part of what is known as 2nd Isaiah. Thus says the Lord to his anointed, to Cyrus, whose right hand I have grasped, to subdue nations before him and ungird the loins of kings, to open doors before him that gates may not be closed. I will go before you and level the mountains. I will break in pieces the doors of bronze and cut asunder the bars of iron. I will give you the treasures of darkness and the hoards in secret places, that you may know that it is I, the Lord, the God of Israel, who call you by your name. For the sake of my servant Jacob and Israel my chosen, I call you by your name. I surname you, though you do not know me. I am the Lord, and there is no other. Besides me, there is no God. I gird you, though you do not know me, that men may know from the rising of the sun and from the west that there is none besides me. I am the Lord, and there is no other. So first of all, we need to know who Cyrus is, who's referenced in these verses. Cyrus was the king of Persia. It was Cyrus who freed the Israelites from captivity in Babylon by defeating the Babylonians. And Cyrus allowed the Israelites to return to their homeland. But notice that it says that Cyrus is the Lord's anointed one. That word means the same as saying that Cyrus is a Messiah, one who is especially anointed by God. So this says a couple of things. First, it says that God is in complete control, complete charge of history, and he can use even someone who is a pagan like Cyrus to accomplish his will. So what does this say to us? Well, we're not pagans, but these verses do say that God uses us to accomplish his will, just as he used King Cyrus. We are God's anointed ones, anointed through our celebration of the sacraments. And so, because God uses us to accomplish his will, it's incumbent upon us to discern and reflect in order to see what God is asking us to do, both in our lives and to see what God is asking us to do this very day. Thank you once again for listening and watching, and I hope you have a great day.